สวัสดีครับก็ตอนนี้ผมก็อยู่กับในบูธของ AppliCAD ของเรานะครับซึ่งเราอยู่ตรงมุมของ Stratasys นะครับและที่ยืนข้างๆผมนี่ก็คือ Stefan Roeding Hi Stefan
Hi.
Hi
How are you today?
Yeah I'm good How about you
Very well. We are showing very nice products here with AppliCAD, and yeah, we're looking forward to promote 3D printing and manufacturing and design and engineering, and also of course in medical.
Okay so you just come from Singapore yesterday right
Yes, I just arrived from Singapore, and now because of the VTL, you have vaccinated travel lanes between Singapore and Thailand, so it's easier now.
Easier now right
Yeah, it's much easier actually. It's getting better now.
Okay
After 2 years non-flying around, actually it was very difficult now.
Okay so I think can you show me that this year I think we know that Stratasys have many technology will show in this year 2022
Yeah, I think 2022 became really an important year because we introduced three new technologies to Stratasys, and now we have the largest portfolio of 3D printing machines in the market. Starting from design with PolyJet, typical examples are colored design models, which are fantastic items when it comes to CMF approvals. But then we also have machines like the big F770, which can produce parts bigger than a meter and help us, especially in the jigs and fixtures business, to support automotive but also aviation customers with cheap, affordable, fast producible jigs and fixtures. But we are focusing this year, I think 2022 will be the focus year of manufacturing. So we introduced two new manufacturing technologies. One is the SAF, which is selective absorption fusion, with the H350, and this will be a machine which can produce hundreds of thousands of parts per year. So which brings additive manufacturing into let's say, I wouldn't call it mass production, but I would call it actually serious manufacturing already. And then we have the the P3, the Origin, which has superb surface finishing. So here actually we achieve accuracies and surface finishing which has been not known to the additive manufacturing industry yet. So especially in the aviation sector, we can now print end-use parts which only requires now a paint spray, but no more post-processing. One of the big burden of 3D printing in the past. So H350 and the P3 are now really manufacturing machines. This is an example of the H350, and you can print several hundred pieces in one machine chamber, build chamber. So you have now not only prototyping machines like the J35 you see behind here, or the F70, you also have production machines, and that's the reason why we are here, I think, at the Metalix and at the Bitech here in Thailand.
Okay so ก็อย่างที่สเตฟานบอกนะครับก็เรามี S350 นะครับแล้วก็มีตัว Origin P3 นะครับแต่ว่าตัว S350 เนี่ยนะครับเดี๋ยวเราจะมีเข้ามาในโชว์รูมของเราเร็วๆนี้นะครับคิดว่าประมาณQ2 ไม่น่าเกินนะครับไม่น่าเกิน Q2 เดี๋ยวก็จะพบกับตัวโชว์รูมใหม่ของ AppliCAD ด้วยก็เดี๋ยวผมขอขอบคุณเขาก่อนที่อุตส่าห์มาแวะเวียนมาเยี่ยมเราที่บูธที่ AppliCAD นี้นะครับ Okay Stefan thank you very much for visit our booth here
Thank you very much for coming.
So you will stay around here
I will hear actually any other questions. Yes, I will be available here tomorrow as well.
Okay so you very specialist in
I am actually focusing on aviation, on producing airworthy parts. So we have a manufacturing site with Stratasys machines in Singapore, and we produce for regional airlines like Singapore Airlines and Scoot. We produce cabin interior components with this machine. So it's a very nice proof that additive manufacturing can produce high quality, high demanding components already. So it's not only about prototyping, it's also about end-use parts with very high certifications.
Okay, I will try to tell our customer who want to talk about the aerospace and
business,
aviation. You talk to you.
We also have EASA approval, so we can produce cabin interior parts already
ก็สำหรับใครที่สนใจนะจะมาคุยเรื่องสเปเชียลต่างๆที่เขาถนัดไม่ว่าจะเป็นทางด้านงาน aero part หรือว่างานทางด้าน aviation ต่างๆเนี่ยครับก็ลองมาแวะเวียนที่บูธ AppliCAD ได้เขาจะอยู่แถวๆนี้นะครับวันนี้แล้วก็วันพรุ่งนี้ด้วย2วันเลยนะครับใครสนใจรีบมานะครับขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับ